good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever the country you are watching me for. This is Mama Africa channel. How are you people doing? Are you people doing fine? We bless God today. I just want to show you what I'm going to prepare today. As you can see my dry fish with smoke talking. As you can see my tomatoes, I'm going to use tomatoes. As you can see my onion with bibi itatasi. As you can see my yam, this is my yam. As you can see my sweet potato, this is sweet potato. This is potatoes, normal potato. It's not the sweet one. As you can see that plate, I have my crayfish there, maggi, ginger, garlic, nutmeg. As you can see, it's something I have for inside that plate. Maggi, salt, ginger, nutmeg, crayfish, ginger. As you can see, garlic too. I have garlic as well. So you can see the thing I'm just preparing today. As you can see, I already ground my pepper. As you can see my pepper. So you can see my fish, canned fish. This is thing I just prepare today. As you can see my oil. This is thing I'm going to prepare today. See the ingredients. As you can see the yam, baby pepper with a red onion, white onion. So you can see this one, the tomatoes I'm going to use, dry fish, smoked turkey, sweet potato. This potato too is not the sweet one, normal potato. See the ingredient, my plantain, the pepper, my canned fish with oil. This is the thing I'm going to prepare today. As you can see them there, everything is there. Everything is there. Everything is there, as you can see. See them. What are you waiting for? See them. See them, as you can see. See my baby crayfish, as you can see them as well. Baby crayfish. This is the ingredient I'm going to use today. As you can see. See them as well. See them, all of them there. All of them is there. The ingredient I'm going to use. See my baby crayfish. Like and share. This is Mama Africa Food Channel. I'm going to start the cooking now. I will see you after the end of the cooking. Because if I keep long cooking, this video will be long. After the cooking, I will see you after the cooking, everything. You are blessed in Jesus' name. See you soon in my next video after the end of the cooking. Bye. See you soon. One love. Mama Africa is back again. The ingredient I showed before. As you can see, my yam with potato, normal potato. It's not the sweet one. Yam with normal potato. So you can see my sausage. So you can see my sauce. So you can see my so you can see the banana, plantain, sweet potato there. Like and share. What are you waiting for? The ingredient I showed before. See the result. Sweet potato with a plantain. This one is potato, normal potato. This the other side is yam. See the sauce. Like and share. If you never subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. We are one. We are one. As you can see the thing I'm going to eat today. As you can see, very delicious, very yummy. See the thing I'm going to eat today. As you can see this is food I'm going to eat today. Like and share. If you never subscribe to my channel, like and share. So you can see the end of the video. As you can see the stew as well. So you can see the food I'm going to eat today. Like and share. As you do that, God will bless you. Long life prosperity. So you can see the food we are going to eat. I'm going to eat now. You can see, like and share. Mama Africa, the ingredient I showed before. See the result of the food. As you can see the result of the food. See the result of the food. As you can see the result of the food. As you can see. Like and share. Subscribe to my channel. If you never subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. We are one. Subscribe to my channel. See the end of the video. See the result of the video. As you can see the end of the video. You can see the stew, very delicious, yummy. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share. Share me out. You are blessed to share me out. You are free to share me out. Share me out. See the end of the video. As you can see, zoom in. Let me zoom in so that you will see very well. As you can see the video. This is end of the video. As you do that, God will bless you. Long life, prosperity in Jesus' name. One love, keep us together. Bye. See you soon in my next video. Bye. See you soon in my next video. One love.